The basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all known organisms is the cell. The word cell is derived from the Latin word cella, which actually means a small room. They are complex and perform various functions for the organism, everything from respiration to repair. In a complex multicellular organisms like humans, there are specialized cells that do very specific functions. Based on said functions, these cells are distributed in various organs. For example, the islets of Langerhans are a group of cells found in your pancreas. They are responsible for the secretion of insulin in your body. When these cells are damaged, insulin secretion does not occur in a person and he or she is said to be suffering from diabetes. Another thing to note is that specialization is unidirectional. One cell type cannot convert to another. For example, you can never see your heart muscle cell suddenly transform into a neuron or kidney cells. Hence, once specialized, it cannot be reversed. Now, if we go to the initial stages of the formation of a human body, we see that the embryo, when in the initial stages of development, has only undifferentiated cells. As you can see, a number of cells, the inner cell mass, need to be able to differentiate into trillions of cells, all with different structures, functions, and features. Therefore, one could assume that there exists something like a universal cell, one that could develop into any and all specialized cells that we see in the human body. This is where stem cells come into picture. In simple terms, stem cells are special human cells that have the ability to develop into many different cell types. Consider it to be a blank canvas or clay. You can paint or mold it in any way, shape, or form that you like. The term stem cells first appeared in the work of the German biologist Ernst Haeckel in 1868. He used the term Stammzell to refer to the ancestor cell of all living cells. In the 1900s, lots of evidence was discovered for the existence of stem cells, including proof that various types of blood cells originate from a single progenitor cell. Over time, research has revealed a lot more about stem cells and its various features. As the name suggests, stem cell therapy, or STC for short, is the prevention or treatment of medical conditions with the help of stem cells. Since stem cells have the ability to transform into any cell type in the body, theoretically, we can repair damaged tissues using stem cells. But before we get into that, please keep these two terms in mind. Pluripotency in cells implies those cells have the ability to develop into any other cell type found in the body. Think about it like the stem cells of the inner cell mass. Multipotency in cells implies those cells have the ability to develop into a limited number of cell types based on the organ they were created in. For over 30 years, stem cells, specifically hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, have been used for the treatment of leukemia and lymphoma. This is the transplantation of multipotent hemopoietic stem cells, usually from the bone marrow. When these diseases are treated with chemotherapy, some of the healthy cells are also damaged. They are replaced by introducing those stem cells, thus reversing the damage caused by chemotherapy. Another effect is the triggering of the immune response that helps to kill off any cancer cells. In the recent times, post-2010s, there have been multiple treatments approved by the Government of Canada and the FDA for the treatments of graft versus host disease and other immunological problems. Apart from that, other agencies have recommended the approval of limbal stem cells for people with severe limbal cell deficiency. The potential for stem cells to be used in medicine is very obvious, and researchers have been working very hard in order to develop medicines and treatments using stem cells and stem cell products. When talking about treatment, a large number of high quality stem cells are required. Hence, a method for the production of stem cells in vitro without the loss of pluripotency potential is required. As of now, there are two main approaches to this problem. two-dimensional and three-dimensional cell culture. As of stem cell therapy itself, research is being done to study the effects and uses of stem cells for the treatment of conditions like neurodegeneration, myocardial infarction, and also vision impairment. Of course, the road isn't easy. Apart from all the difficulties of research, there is also controversy regarding stem cells due to its association with ICMs and embryos. Even with the multiple roadblocks slowing down the flow, research into this technology has shown us what solutions to diseases and conditions that are considered to be life-threatening today could look like. I thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, do drop a like on this video and subscribe to the AtomsTalk channel, bottom right hand corner, and I will see you in our next video. Take care.